Rwanda has transformed itself. Unity, being together, is the foundation of everything we try to do. From the beginning, we understood the need to cultivate and preserve a spirit of oneness to give us hope for a better future. We cannot, however, ignore the fact that things like violence and hate speech persist not so far away from here. Much as it does so, you can also see the same indifference today as we saw in 1994. Genocide denial is a dangerous and deliberate attempt to block the truth. We must fight revisionist ideologies because they are easily passed on from generation to generation. We must fight denial because that is how history repeats itself. Rwanda's youth are privileged to have a country to call home, and which embraces everyone, all of them. We need to encourage young Rwandans to learn about our past so that they can lead with historical clarity, but also with a sense of responsibility and accountability. That is the essence of kwibuka twiyubaka. Rwandans will not accept any attempt to divide us. We had enough of it, more than enough. That will not succeed again here, ever.